Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you how to create a vase full of flowers. Now you may be used to drawing a vase with flowers something like this, which of course is simple and beautiful in its own way, but I'm going to show you how to do this a little bit more realistically. Now to make our flowers in our vase, we're going to be using shape, and I will show you exactly how to do that. And we are also going to be creating the illusion of space by overlapping our flowers, our leaves, and our vase. So let's get started with a paper and a pencil. So to start my vase of flowers, I'm going to grab something circular to help make the base of my vase. I'm gonna move it down towards the end of my paper, but leave a little bit of space. Okay, and I'll start adding that in. And now I have a circle. What I'm going to do to make more of a vase shape, I'm going to add a bottom to it, 2 straight lines, and a curved line that matches the curve of the bottom of my circle here. And that will be its base. That's where it hits the table. So if you want, you can even add a line for a table in the background if you'd like. Now up here, I'm going to make my vase have a wide opening. So I'm gonna do 2 diagonal lines coming off kind of like the top sides of my circle. And then I'm going to make a straight line across. Okay. And then I can decide if I wanna keep this circle or not, but I'm going to erase that. So that is up to you. So now I'm gonna start to add my flowers. Now we want this to be a nice full bouquet, not just a couple flowers sticking out. So I'm going to kind of map off my space where I want my flowers to be in. So I kind of want them to be in this area. I'm drawing a very light kind of ovalish shape, though you don't need to do this. This is just because I want to show you where I'm going to draw mine. So as you can see, my line comes a little bit past the top of my vase, and that's because my flowers are going to overlap it. And that's why I'm working in pencil, so if I need to erase anything, I can. There's plenty of flowers that you can draw. Maybe you have a bouquet of flowers in a vase already in your house that you can look at. Maybe you have some fake flowers that you can look at, or you can always use a photo reference from Google. But I'm just kind of going to use my imagination and draw some flowers. So I'll start with one that looks something like this. Small circle. Teardrop shaped leaves. Maybe I want to put another one here, a smaller circle. Make it more like a daisy. Smaller petals. Kind of like a teardrop facing inward without the point. And I'm going to have that one coming behind the flower that I already added. So I'm making this one look like it's overlapping the one that I'm adding now. Maybe I want to add almost like a rose. So let's see, how do I want to do this? And remember, you can repeat flowers. So I might want to add another rose. Okay. And I think I'll add some smaller ones over here. So I'm starting to overlap my vase. Maybe I'll add one down here just so that you can see what I'm talking about. It's kind of hanging over the vase. And these smaller flowers are really good for filling in any empty spaces. What I think I'll do up here is maybe I'll add another one that's supposed to look like this, but maybe it's not completely open yet. But what I'm going to do is add some leaves. And that will really make our bouquet look nice and full. But what I want to do first is just to get rid of any pieces of the vase that are kind of still showing where I have leaves and flowers overlapping. All right, and I'm gonna trace. Now I'm going to erase. So now I'm going to fill in my background white spaces in between the flowers. And I'm just going to do that with some dark green, and you can do this with whatever material that you're using. This is to make it look like there's lots of leaves underneath our flowers. So again, that's creating the illusion of space with overlapping and using darker colors beneath to create shadows. I might even add a little bit of black. I hope you had fun, and thanks for watching.